Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to record a full day of eating video. I have all my meals mapped out for you to show you exactly what I will eat throughout the day. Breakfast is my largest meal simply because it helps to keep me fuller and it helps to control the cravings, and that's when I incorporate most of my sugar. So come on and let's start the breakfast. First thing I'm going to prepare is going to be my banana oatmeal breakfast shake. So I like to use a 1/3 cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of cacao. The reason why I'm using rolled oats because it's a slow digesting carb. It's a slow digesting carb and it doesn't spike your insulin as fast. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. You need a pinch of salt, 1 banana, teaspoon of honey. Sometimes I use both natural and raw honey, but right now I only have raw honey, so that's what I'm going to use. Some ice cubes for some extra nutrition. I'm gonna add some baby spinach. I don't taste it. Seems weird, like a weird mix. And I'm adding baby spinach to this. Alright, that's it. Add my almond milk. Oh, I forgot my peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Okay. Last ingredient, I almost forgot, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Okay. Where's the top? All right, now I'm gonna blend this all together. But before I blend, I like to do a 2-in-1 situation. So I'm gonna prepare my eggs and then blend the ingredients because I don't want this to sit and thicken. So my eggs are gonna be really fast. I already have the pan ready. So come over so you can see me make the eggs. Egg 0 calorie non-stick spray. That's why I'm not using butter. I'm not using oil because that's gonna be extra added fat that I don't need currently. And the fats, I'm gonna get my fats from the peanut butter from my shake. So protein is gonna be important. Right now there's no protein in that shake. That's why I'm making a side of eggs. And also with the sugar that I'm taking in this morning, I need to balance it out with some type of protein. So let's go. Waiting for the pan to get warm before I put my egg in. And that's it. I have my carbs, my protein and fats. Hit target all 3 macronutrients, which you'll see on the screen. Let's taste it. That's my favorite breakfast shake. Every morning I don't have the same thing, I switch it around. Some mornings instead of having a shake, I'll have Ezekiel bread, or I would just mix my options around. I don't just stick to just one same routine. That would be boring and unrealistic. I can't. Some people can do it, but I can't. what I'm gonna have for a snack because I have a sweet tooth and I don't want to eat anything that's not going to be nutritious. Right now I have grapes. That's gonna definitely help with the sweet tooth, and a banana, that's gonna be my snack. I picked up the chunky salsa from Trader Joe's along with the roasted plantain chips, and I'm gonna make this like a chip and dip situation. I didn't get the tortilla chips at Trader Joe's, only sell the very large bags, and I know myself, if I purchase that large bag, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna wind up consuming that entire bag within a week or maybe in a matter of days. So just to keep myself disciplined, I purchased a smaller bag, and I'm pretty sure the plantain chips is gonna go very well with the salsa dip. Okay, I'm gonna measure out my chips so that I don't go over. So the serving size is gonna be 28 grams, which is 1 ounce. Let's place it in there. That's 45, that's double than what I need. 32, 27. Okay, so that's what 28 grams of chips look like. I really do need a new scale. I don't know what this is. Serving size of this, 2 tablespoons of the salsa. Let's weigh out the salsa. Hopefully I get this right. I only need 32 grams of salsa. That's 37. 37 won't kill me. So there you go. After I have this, I'm gonna have, again, my grapes with my banana. Over there eating. What you cooking over there?
Magda.
Let me see what you got.
These waffles, right? These good?
Damn ratchet. We're going with, actually we're gonna switch out our banks. We're gonna go with a smaller branch, simply because we feel like they cater more to the business and we want a more personal connection with the branch itself. So that's why we're gonna handle some business today. We have the paperwork, we're gonna switch everything over. So I'll see you soon.
No problem. I'm one of the strongest men in the world. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Nice. All right, you're gonna use what you.
I'm having a Ezekiel wrap. This is 21 grams of carbs. You'll see the macros. It'll pop up on MyFitnessPal. But I'm gonna have a Ezekiel wrap with 4 ounces of chicken, some cheese. I have chunky salsa to add as a sauce, some spicy mustard, and on the side as a veggie, I'm going to make a veggie shake. I really, or if I didn't prep my veggie shakes in advance, all the ingredients I would put into my shake, I would just consume regularly. One reason why I do blend my shakes is because I'm getting all the vitamins and nutrients all at once. I don't have to chew, I don't have to bite, I don't have to break down the veggies as I go. And for me, honestly, I feel like I'm receiving more nutrients, it's more potent because I'm able to actually break down the veggies in the blender. When I chew or when I eat, it's not going to be that fine. So the blender helps to break down the veggies, so I'm able to get more nutrition out of the veggie shake. It's going to be meal number 3. On a day-to-day basis, I would meal prep my meals. I wouldn't break down my meals like this and just show you guys. Just for vlogging purposes, I'm showing you what I eat on a day-to-day basis, but realistically, it's best to meal prep all your meals, prepare all your meals in advance, because who has time to actually sit down and stop in the middle of the day, or if you're working, you don't have time to cook at home, you're at work. So meal prepping would be more realistic. These are my ingredients for my veggie shake. I have a red carrot, some celery stalk, some baby spinach, apple cider vinegar, and ice and water. That's going to be my veggie shake. Brown mustard simply because it's lower in calories instead of using mayo or ketchup or any other condiment. This is lower in calories, lower in sugar. I love dill, so I'm gonna add some dill to this as well for a little bit of flavor. I'm gonna wash this off. Oh, that's where I put it on the side of the bread. I may do 3 ounces of chicken. Let's just do 3. This is unit. It's 1.9. Yeah, I'll just stick with 3 ounces. 3 ounces of chicken. Going to add some of the salsa. That's plenty. I was considering adding baby spinach, but since I'm adding baby spinach to my veggie shake, I'm not going to add baby spinach to the wrap. There you have it. This is my wrap. That's what I'm having. My little chicken wrap for lunch. Then I'm gonna prepare. Put some ice cubes first. 3 ice cubes. 1 organic red carrot. 1 whole celery stalk, chopped up and washed. Baby spinach. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, not too much. It's perfect. Some water. That's it. I have my veggie shake on the side. Taking in my veggies with my wrap. That's my 3rd meal of the day. And I have 1 more meal after this, which is going to be the same chicken with broccoli. I finally got my nails done. What do you guys think? Nude, very I like simple plain colors. First things first, I'm gonna drink the veggie shake simply because after it's blended, it oxidizes very quickly, which means that it loses the potency, the nutritional content that you're getting from the veggie. So what I do is I'll drink this fast just to get all the nutrients that I can from blending the shake, and then I'll consume my wrap afterwards.
That's it.
Hey guys, so this is going to be my last meal of the day. 1 cup of steamed broccoli along with 3 ounces excuse me, I'm recovering from a cold. Along with 3 ounces of chicken. You can see 3.4 ounces of chicken. Of course, I really do love this salsa. Only 10 calories in it, so that's awesome. And that completes my meal for the day. I hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this ends off my night. Thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.